Welcome to a Macintosh Numbers tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain basic functions of Macintosh Numbers. Firstly, we're going to be talking about how to copy and paste without using Command C and Command V. The way to do it is to type in the information, then select one of the 4 yellow points around the box. Then you drag the box and it automatically copies and pastes the information. Here I will show how it works visually instead of auditory. I will now show you how to select multiple boxes at once and move information. All you need to do is select a box, then click on it, drag it, and it will automatically move the box. Now I will show you the headers and footers. This first selection is for how many headers there are on the right. The second for how many there are on the top, and the third for how many there are on the bottom. The way you add more columns and rows is by simply clicking the arrow in the bottom right corner and dragging it. Now I will show you how to change the grid lines of the table. You can see the different effects the different buttons have on the table. This button is for whether you want to alternate the color of the rows. This option is to decide the length and width of the rows and columns. This button is to make the rows and columns fit the word length. That's all the basics for now. And thank you, and good luck with your work.